only online game I was ever into, which was 10 years ago, was Candy Crush.
I pulled all of them off my phone because last year,
you liked that Jewel
when
game?
I'd be waiting for the train. No, it was Tetris.
But it wasn't called Tetris. It was called something else, wasn't it?
Block Blast.
Yes. Because she would play. I just know if we were traveling. If we were traveling for work and we were on a plane, she was playing that.
It could have been hours. And that's why I was like, I gave it up. I got it off my phone. Okay, so AppLovin, Cisco, and Pacific Gas and Electric.
APP.
Yeah, you know me.
That's what I was going to say. You down with APP? It's tough because it's $445.
Yes. Can we just play a little bit of a game right now? Go to the trade page. I want to see what the margin requirement is for these.
A lot.
I think it's going to be I want to see if it's more than a $400 stock, though. We know what a $400 stock is margin at.
Okay, so
doesn't matter. Just pick one.
If we look at normally,
because on last call I was shocked at how much margin some things were holding up and some things weren't. Remember we had the CoreWeave circle where one was like good margining and one wasn't.
This is one of those where if I
don't think the earnings are in the.
Okay, so look at this. Expected move for the 2-day, 62. Expected move for the 37-day, 100. There's so much vol in here, even further out in time. Usually you get just a huge boost in vol just in the first couple weeks. But this vol, the AppLovin vol is crazy. Liz, I'm thinking of this for a trade. We go out to...
It's like you're serving something. What are you trying to do with this?
I'm going to serve this trade. I'm going to serve this trade to you. Okay, this is one of those where $230 expected move in December. If I go $200 down, 400, 300, 200, look at this. The 200 for $1,600.
And it's only $2,000 to put it on?
I know. Sometimes...
Where can I go to like the 150? I just want to see where the 150 is.
Because I don't like to go out this far, but sometimes when I glance over and I see 70, 100, 200, 300, it tempts me to go out further in time.
In June 2028,
I can go to the 100. Let's see what kind of return on capital.
So it's saying it's priced at it might be zero in June.
Oh my God, June 2028.
That's what I'm saying. It's priced as if it might be zero. Maybe AppLovin.
If I could have sold the 10 put, I would have loaded up. But you can only get down to the 190
in June of 2028
for $40, which brings your break even 150.
It was 400. Now it's 373.
Okay, so $4,000. Your break even is 150. The break even is 150. And how long is this on? 856 days.
856.
Let's just go to December.
Okay, hold on. I just want to see. Take me a walk down memory lane. Show me when AppLovin was. Wait, where are you going to go to?
I was going to see how far we can get in December.
100. 100. 105. No, 105.
I'm going to go.
Standard deviation. They're wide. You can't do that.
Yeah, but they're wide. But if I could get $400 for the 120?
If you can get $400 for the 120, press that button. Wait, show me the last time AppLovin was at 120. Please, take me a walk down memory lane. They're right there.
It was. This is 2024. 2024, it was 166, and then
before AppLovin.
Then it had its breakout.
Its breakout.
Its glow up. So me personally, in my own account, I'm going to go to December, and I'm going to sell maybe the 150s for. No, you can go 145s, 140s. I'm going to go. Normally, I stick with the 45 days or the weekly. I'm going all the way up to December. Let's see if it goes up, how much we make on these.
Hold on.
I don't know if you can see that. You better zoom in. Certified badass option trader. I accept.
I dropped everything in my jacket the other day, and so now I know where everything is because I had to re-put it in.
I don't know. What would you pick? Because if we do the 2-day,
it's going to look not as exciting as that.
No, I'm in the 300s. You can't get 30 cents.
Where can you get $1 in the 2-day? Just I like going out in time.
You can get the 332.
$3,000. No.
Who's in with me? And let's take a look at Bob's trade.
I can't stop you.
Let's take a look at Bob's trade.
Do it.
In December, buy the 50 delta. Sell a call for half the price, so $65.
It's pretty high.
Yeah. Okay. The
There's some order
$650.
flow in the back.
So you've got two. This is $200 wide. $200 wide. 58.20. You need 20. You need almost $30. You need $30.
Yeah, $30. Twice. I don't like it.
$260. I don't like that $260.
And that's gonna be so expensive. $11,000. I don't like it.
No, I don't like it. But what I do like is $500. Where can I get $500? The 125 put.
Fine. If you can get filled at
$400.
Sure. We can close at the end of the show if we don't like it. If it goes up, great. Ship it.
$400. Let me try $450. So let's watch. Let's see. Our $450 offer will go up. Review and send. Filled immediately. Someone just threw up a $450 bid.
Whoever did that.
See that?
Whoever did that.
Whoever's watching and threw up that $450
I'm telling
bid.
you, whoever threw up that $450 bid, you're getting one of these.
Someone threw up a $450 bid.
That's awesome. I actually do think that's awesome.
Okay, so we sold the 125 put in December for $450. Used how much buying power?
$1,000, like
$1,000.
No, like $1,300. But yeah, I mean, I'm rounding down.
Thanks for watching. If you want more context and more ways to think about markets, check out more of our videos. And don't forget, give us a like, comment, subscribe, and watch Tasty Live.